This video is about classification of tablet. Tablet is one of the most important dosage form, and it is necessary to give you awareness. Tablets in industrial pharmacy can be classified in several ways based on different criteria such as their formulation, intended use, manufacturing process, or physical characteristics. There are 5 major classification systems. Each one will be discussed one by one. Number 1. Formulation based classification. 1.1 Modified release tablets. These are designed to release the active ingredient at a predetermined rate over an extended period of time, which can include sustained release, extended release, delayed release, and pulsatile release. 1.2 Chewable tablets. These are intended to be chewed before swallowing. 1.3 Effervescent tablet. These dissolve quickly in water, producing a fizzy solution, and are often used for delivering drugs that are unstable in aqueous solutions. 1.4 Sublingual or buccal tablets. These are meant to be placed under the tongue, sublingual, or between the cheek and gum, buccal, for absorption through the oral mucosa. 1.5 Enteric coated tablets. These are coated with a polymer that prevents dissolution in the acidic environment of the stomach, allowing them to pass intact into the small intestine for release of the drug. 1.6 Film coated tablets. These have a thin layer of polymer coating to improve appearance, ease of swallowing, and to mask taste or odor. Conclusion. 5 videos on the classifications have been prepared. Other 4 classifications will be discussed in next videos on every Saturday. If you like it, particularly pharmacy students, please share and subscribe it. Thanks.